Good morning, students. Welcome back again for teaching social study. Dear students, in previous classes we have taught chapter number 2. Now in this present time I am taking chapter number 3 in geography subjects, latitudes and longitudes. We know very well that latitudes and longitudes are very important for us. According to knowledge, if we have not knowledge of longitude and latitude lines, so that we can't know the actual place on the globe. So dear students, we will discuss today on the latitude lines and longitude lines. You know very well that longitudes like this, longitudes yani like this, those lines are coming from north direction to south direction drawn on the globe, that is known as longitude lines. यानी यू कैन से वैसी लाइंस जो नॉर्थ पोल से साउथ पोल की तरफ लंबी खींची जाती है, यानी नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन टू साउथ डायरेक्शन की तरफ खींची जाती है, वह लाइंस लॉन्गिट्यूड लाइंस कहलाती हैं. नाउ आई एम कमिंग सेकेंड, लैटिट्यूड लाइंस. दोज लाइंस आर ड्रॉन ऑन द ग्लोब ईस्ट डायरेक्शन टू वेस्ट डायरेक्शन, यानी like this, those lines are drawn on the globe from east direction to west direction, that is known as latitude lines. अब हमें ये जानना है कि latitude lines और longitude lines का क्या important रोल होता है. तो सबसे पहले हम इस ग्लोब के माध्यम से समझेंगे कि कौन है latitude line और कौन है longitude line. So सबसे पहले इन प्रीवियस क्लासेस आई हैव एक्सप्लेन इन अबाउट दैट ग्लोब. ए ग्लोब इज ए स्फेरिफिक मॉडल ऑफ द अर्थ. इरेटोस्थनीज, you know very well that the father of geography is known as Eratosthenes, who have described firstly geographic words in their book Geographica. यानी इरेटोस्थनीज जो फादर ज्योग्राफी का कहा जाता है, ज्योग्राफी का फादर कहा जाता है, उसने सबसे पहले उसने ये बताया कि लैटिट्यूड लाइंस उसने ही सर्वप्रथम नाम दिया था. दूसरी चीज़ कि मैं बता चुका हूँ कि ज्योग्राफी में इरेटोस्थनीज ने ही जियो प्लस ग्राफी इक्वल डिस्क्रिप्शन, यानी भू प्लस तल बराबर वर्णन करना, यानी पृथ्वी के तल का वर्णन करना ज्योग्राफी कहलाता है. तो इरेटोस्थनीज इज नॉन एज द फादर ऑफ ज्योग्राफी, हु हैज डिस्क्राइब टू कैलकुलेट द साइज ऑफ अर्थ वाज इरेटोस्थनीज. यानी लाइक दिस, जिसने यही वो शख्स था जिसने पृथ्वी को की साइज को कैलकुलेट करने का प्रयास किया था, उसका नाम था इरेटोस्थनीज, जिसे हम ज्योग्राफी का फादर भी मानते हैं. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, latitudes and longitudes line are very important for us. It help us to pinpoint geographical locations or features on the earth in an accurate manner. The first person to calculate the size of earth was Eratosthenes. It is a geographical coordinate that specifies a point on the earth's surface. Suppose that we have to discuss in about that. This is a picture of globe, and you know very well that line are passing through north direction to south direction. It is known as longitude line, and that lines are passing through east direction to west direction, that is known as latitude line, and these are very important for us. Understand? Now I am coming that's in the middle of the earth. It is this latitude line, and like this you can say equator is the longest latitude line on the globe. Yani like this, it is drawn on 0 degree. Yani you can say that it is drawn on 0 degree equator, that is known as equator. And then after you are going in upper side, Tropic of Cancer, it is drawn on 23.5 degree north. And then after, whenever you are going in frigid zone like this, Arctic Circle was drawn on 66.5 degree and you are going in upper side, that's 90 degree, it is drawn on 90 degree north pole. Yani, we will call in short form NP, north pole. Okay, same process are here, that's whenever going in south direction, so that Tropic Capricorn are drawn on 23.5 degree south, and Antarctic Circle line was drawn on the globe on 66.5 degree south, and 90 degree is converted on the top of south direction, that is known as south pole. And like this you can say north pole and south pole. Now I am coming. In previous chapter we have explained that whenever the sun rises, you know well that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. When sun rays falls on the equator, so that rays is straight. Yani the rays of sun falls on straight on the equator. That is very, very hot, that area. And here we have known about this whenever it is known as Torrid Zone. So here is we will feel very hot, and in Delhi at sharp 12 o'clock in the noon, rain comes day by day, and at sharp 4 o'clock in the evening the sky is very clear. That's why here dense forest found here. Yani you can say you can see the dense forest in this area because much rainfall is being. Okay, now I am coming Tropic of Capricorn and here Tropic of Cancer. Then after you are going in upper side Arctic Circle, and that's the sun ray falls in slant. That's why this here is much cold than hotter. So you are going in upper side 90 degree north pole, so that here sun rays are not coming. That's why it is known as frigid zone, like this north pole, 90 degree north pole, 90 degree south pole. Here sun ray is not coming. That's why here ice, or you can say a snow, is stored like a big amount of snow, a big amount of this. That is south pole, that is north pole. Understand? So now dear students, I am coming on this topic, latitude lines. Those lines are passing through east direction to west direction, that is known as latitude lines. It tells where a point is either north or south. Yani like this, north and south in the middle of this globe, in upper side, yani like this you can say hemisphere denotes that half part of the globe in upper side, north direction, northern hemisphere, and in below side you can say southern hemisphere. Understand? Now these lines are horizontal line. These lines are horizontal line. Any latitude lines are horizontals, and it draws east direction to west direction. Now I am coming. It is drawn exactly in the middle of the globe. You can see here that's it is drawn in the middle area of the globe, and the Tropic of Cancer, it is the parallel 23° north of the equator. It lies in the north direction, and the Tropic of Capricorn, it lies in the southern hemisphere. Yani like this, here in upper side northern hemisphere, and in below side it is known as southern hemisphere. So that's globe. Whenever if you want to know an actual place, so that you have to knowledge of about latitude line and longitude line. Whenever you have not knowledge, so that you can't find a right place in the globe and actual place. So it is very, very important that we have to gain the knowledge in about that latitude and longitude line. Understand? I hope that you have learned very well. That's equator, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle and North Pole, and here below side Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle and 90° South Pole. Yani like this, here is northern hemisphere and here is southern hemisphere. Understand? You can discuss on this matter, and you have to learn this and write and mention in notebook. I will send the PDF file. So on a Scholar app. So dear students, you have to mention in your notebook. I hope that you are understanding these things, because it is very, very important, and whenever we have gained the knowledge in about that latitudes and longitude line, so that we can understand where is the actual place on the globe. Okay, so you have to learn how can I draw a globe, how can I draw a Indian map. So you can regular draw on the paper, so you can make very easy. Okay, thank you so much. We will meet on next video. Thank you so much. Thank you, students.